Good morning, girls. Once again, we are meeting to learn the language. In the last session of last week, we studied the chapter about Mars mission. That was the chapter number 3. The chapter was entitled as Why India's Mars mission is so cheap and thrilling. In today's session, you are going to learn about the question answers related to the chapter. But before we go with the questions, let me give you the briefing about the chapter in form of recap. Another thing I want to tell you is you might have read the announcement in our application. That announcement is for the online exam of MCQs. Girls, there will be an online test for the MCQs. That exam I am going to take up from these 2 chapters, and whatever we have done from that I will be asking the questions in form of MCQs. How and when the exam will be there, that will be informed, but at least you start revising and watching or start watching the videos related to the chapters. In short, you have to revise the videos for your better understanding and from the preparation point of view. Now, coming on to the chapter. In this chapter, if you remember, this mission is called Mars Orbiter Mission. Then, about the author Jonathan Amos, he has been working as the science correspondent for BBC, and this BBC News website was launched in 1997. These can be the questions asked in your MCQs. You need to refer it properly. Then about the text, how and when actually this article was published. This was published on 24th September, and then it was successfully launched as MOM. That was the milestone for ISRO, that is ISRO, full form of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Again, important questions. This article explores what? That means what is there in the article? Article is giving you an idea about red planet that is currently, or that red planet actually is having what kind of environment, is living being possible on red planet, and everything related to the different types of gases that we have in the layers of earth. So this article is giving you an idea about the Mars mission that was quite cheap and thrilling. Now, this was the first success which India has attempted. Then after, this was confirmed in the orbit shortly after 800 as per the Indian time, and India got a considerable achievement. Then Mangalyaan budget was of 4.5 billion rupees. That means in dollar if we convert as $74 million. Then about the American Maven orbiter that arrived at Red Planet on Monday, but it cost almost 10 times much more than the India's Mangalyaan budget. Then about the movie Gravity, it was commented by Narendra Modi. Again, related question for the exam. This Hollywood film Gravity was quite expensive than the India's Mars mission. Then about, of course, different people, they have given their views. they found out the reason behind success, and one of the major elements, major contributors for the success was home ground components and technology were used for Mars mission. Then about the payload. The payload means what? The payload means the object that is being transported by the vehicle. Then after it was transported to Mars using a rocket. Then the weight, very important, was kept of 15 kg, and that has reduced almost major cost of this mission. Then the mission of course was complex. Then the scientific capabilities were judged. માત્ર ને માત્ર મંગળ મિશનનું એક એમ એ જ નહોતો કે મંગળ ગ્રહ પર પરિસ્થિતિ કેવી છે, બટ ડ્યુરિંગ દેટ જર્ની ધીસ વોઝ ફાઉન્ડ આઉટ લાઈક વોટ ઇઝ અવેલેબલ ઇન અવર અર્થ લેયર, કે પૃથ્વીની કક્ષાની બહાર નીકળીએ છીએ તો કયા કયા ગેસીસ અવેલેબલ છે, વોટ અબાઉટ ધીઝ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ગેસીસ, એન્ડ એસ્પેશિયલી different equipments were prepared to measure methane in the atmosphere. This was the hottest topic for the Mars. Then after the microbes, then methanogenous could perhaps exist on Mars જો મંગળના ગ્રહ પર અંદરના ભાગમાં કે એના અંદરના લેયરમાં જો એ જીવાણુઓ જીવિત રહી શકે. This kind of introspection was done by different people. Scientists, they were definitely calculating all these things. So, Mangalyaan has a small payload, and this was the biggest question for the addressal related to the red planet. Then after the different experiments were made, why this cost was reduced, Professor Coates has commented. Then we saw about the different people's criticism that I explained you orally. Then after the, of course, I gave you the example of UK that has dramatically changed because of this recent development in the field of science that they have contributed for the economy. Then of course, last but not the least paragraph of the chapter, India wants a part of this action too. India માં પણ આ પ્રકારની પ્રગતિ જરુરી છે, and how we can convert this in our reality, like nation is putting itself into a strong position in an international market for space products and services by exploring their creativity in the field of science. So this was the reason behind the success of Mars mission and why it successfully converted or got success with the cheapest effort, the reasons we found during the chapter. Now, in today's session, related to the chapter's questions, I have here given you the list of questions. I would be explaining the questions and you would be writing the questions in your classwork from the slides. I mean, whatever topic I have explained you, whatever chapter I have given you the explanation in the explanation form, you will be writing your answers from that. First question. What makes Mangalyaan a considerable achievement? The answer is India's space program has succeeded at the first attempt where others failed by sending an operational mission to Mars. I repeat, India's space program has succeeded at the very first attempt where others have failed by sending an operational mission to the Mars. This was a kind of considerable achievement for Mangalyaan. Why? Because with the very first attempt, we got success and it was our foremost attempt and we got tremendous achievement. How did Prime Minister Narendra Modi compare Mangalyaan to a Hollywood movie? In the month of June, the answer is India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi equipped that India's real life Martian adventure was costing less than the make believe Hollywood film Gravity. Narendra Modi has commented like India has got exceptional achievement by reducing the cost of the project and that was cheaper than the Hollywood film Gravity. This comment was made by Narendra Modi and this he made with the comparison of the film Gravity. Third, how did India manage to limit Mangalayaan's cost? What was the reason behind the cost reduction of Mangalyaan mission? The reasons actually were many, but here I want to focus on two important reasons. Like first is there were two major reasons. The first reason that is home ground components and technologies have also been prioritized over expensive foreign imports. Instead of demanding from foreign technology or from foreign countries, we hired, we used, we implemented home ground components and that got success, that has given success with an idea to make an achievement remarkable. This was the first attempt. The additional aspect you can write is India has carefully studied all these things. India has kept a payload and about its weight by using only 15 kg. If we want to reduce the cost, then India has managed by using less weight of payload and this has again remarkably reduced our cost. This was also commented by Britain's Professor Andrew Coates, who will be a principal investigator on Europe's Mars rover in 2018. This was commented by this person and we have managed to limit our Mangalayaan's cost by using home ground components as well as we have kept payload's weight too much less. Next to impossible kind of a weight we attempted and we got a tremendous achievement. So that is all about the answer 3. Number 4. What is Mangalayaan's primary objective and why is it important? Now, there are certain things that India wanted to make research upon or India wanted to find it out by putting this Mars mission into implementation. What the question is like what were the primary or what actually is the primary objective? તો કે મંગલયાનને લોન્ચ કરવા પાછળનો ઇન્ડિયાનો પ્રાઇમરી ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ શું હતો? રાઈટ. સો this answer is related to certain objectives like India has been smart in targeting some really important areas that will complement what others are doing. Like what India has thought about in putting this primary objective implementation કે ભારતના કદાચ આ મિશનથી બીજા માટે ભારત એક ઉદાહરણ તરીકે સાબિત થઈ શકે. That kind of objectives India has targeted. Number 1, Mangalyaan has gone equipped with an instrument that will try to measure methane in the atmosphere. This was the first primary objective. I repeat, Mangalyaan has gone equipped with an instrument that will try to measure મિથેન ઇન ધ એટમોસ્ફિયર. તો કે સૌથી પહેલો ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ એ હતો કે મંગળયાન મિશનથી વાતાવરણમાં મિથેન વાયુનું પ્રમાણ કેટલું છે તે માપી શકાય. ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ વોઝ અરેન્જ્ડ બાય ઇસરો. This was the primary objective, and this has definitely give a lot of scope for the discussion. So this is one of the hottest topics in Mars research up till now. And then another kind of gases or the observations of gases also would be prioritized by the instrument. So the primary objective of Mangalyaan was to measure the amount of methane in the atmosphere. Okay, that is all about the answer number 4. The fifth question is, why do some people criticize India's space program? If you remember, this we discussed orally. Again, you have to listen to the audio or the video particularly carefully. Here, Jonathan Amos has given criticism about Mangalyaan and about India's space program. If you remember, I told you like he has read a lot about this criticism. જ્યારે કોઈ પણ રિપોર્ટર કોઈ આર્ટિકલ તૈયાર કરતો હોય ત્યારે એ આર્ટિકલ સાથે પોઝિટિવ એઝ વેલ એઝ નેગેટિવ બંને બાબતોએ ઇન્ક્લુડ કરશે. વોટ હી ફાઉન્ડ આઉટ અબાઉટ ધ પોઝિટિવિટી of Mangalyaan and whatever the negative aspects or the criticism that also he found out during this article or compiling this article, he has to include both the things, right? Like there were few assumptions, there were few criticism or arguments presented by people. So this is what the answer is. Number 1, there is an assumption among many. Like there were different assumptions. The first is the space activity is somehow playing best left to wealthy industrial countries and it can have no value to developing nations. That means India has shown the experiments, but these experiments has no value for the development of the country, or this we can only get from wealthy industrial countries, because whatever scientific developments we get, we will be getting financial contribution from industrial people or from the people of industry who are wealthy, who can contribute in the scientific development. But if India is doing this kind of effort, then there is no value through which India can be a developed nation. So this was the first argument. Number 2, the money would be better spent on healthcare and improved sanitation, so the argument goes. Second argument was given about the expenditure that we make on scientific development. Instead of that, if we want to see health and hygiene, or if we want to improve our healthcare, then that can be improved with the expenditure for sanitation. So that the argument was presented. Number 3, science and scientific technology builds capability and capacity, and it develops the sort of people who benefit the economy and society more widely. this was the positive comment given by so and so person. What I mean is સાયન્સમાં કે સાયન્ટિફિક ડેવલપમેન્ટથી શું what we can do, like we can build strong people, we can build our capacity, we can expand our capability by putting our efforts in the scientific development, and we will be definitely producing such people who can best benefit, who can give their best benefit in the development of economy પણ વધશે, scientific development પણ વધશે, વ્યક્તિગત capability પણ વધશે, and ultimately capacity will be increased. So society will be looking more wider in that sense. So there were three basic comments. Number 4, fourth comment, space activity is also a wealth generator. Some of the stuff as was made, that was by the industrialized people or the people who belonged to the industry, and that is one of the reasons that people can invest so heavily for the space activity. What I meant is space activity, through space activity we can generate a kind of a wealth, right? કોઈ રિસર્ચ કરવાથી, કોઈ નવા ડેવલપમેન્ટથી નો ડાઉટ આપણી કેપેબિલિટી વધશે, રાઈટ? આપણી will be renowned more and more in the world scenario. That will be also increasing, or that can be only possible by heavy investors of our India. Like industry only can produce such amount of money who can contribute in the scientific development, who can invest their money heavily in the space activity. So again, whatever stuff we need for the scientific activity, space activity, that can be only generated with the help of industrialized people or industrialized nations, right? These were 4 particular comments or the criticism made on India's space program. I repeat, first was completely negative in its sense. First was like this was useless if we do any development in the space particularly. It is only possible by wealthy industrial countries, and India is not considered as wealthy industrial country. Number 2, if we want to produce, if we want to be better, then we have to make our investment in healthcare and we have to improve sanitation. Number 3, we cannot overlook the investment of science and technology. A positive comment છે, right? Through science and technology we can build capacity and capability, and that can be only benefited to the economy and society as well. Number 4, space activity can only generate by solid wealth generators, or space activity can be only developed by wealth generator, and this wealth generator is nobody else but our industrial people, right? So we have to make our industrial field solid, or we can only make the development through this industrial people by their investment in the space activity. Okay. Next is, how can space exploration help developing countries? Again, this question already I have included in the last question. Like, space activity is also a wealth generator. It will be giving benefit to the development of the country's economy. So if we are able to produce, and if we are able to make or maintain scientific development and space exploration activities through which we can make our country more popular in the progressive countries of the world, and we can make our global success, or we can be globally popular as well. So space exploration definitely will help us to develop our country's scenario economically, and we will be making our society also uplifted. Next question, why do developed nations like the UK invest heavily in space research? Fine, this is the last point of the chapter in which there is an example of UK is given. It has dramatically increased its spending on space in recent years. I repeat, if we check the example of UK, if we see the example of UK, then UK has dramatically, that is majorly increased its spending money on space in recent years. તો કે છેલ્લા અમુક વર્ષોથી યુકે બહુ જ મોટા પ્રમાણમાં વિકસિત દેશોમાં સામેલ થઈ ગયું છે. વાય? બિકોઝ દે હેવ ગિવન their major part of investment in space activity research. The government has even identified satellite as being one of the 8 great technologies, and that can help rebalance the UK economy and drive it forward. The government of UK has definitely found out this reality, like India's one of the 8 great technologies. તો કે સ્પેસ રિસર્ચ કે સ્પેસ એક્ટિવિટીને કઈ રીતે ગણતરી કે કેવી રીતે એને એન્ટાઇટલ્ડ કરવામાં આવ્યું છે, લાઈક 8 ગ્રેટ ટેકનોલોજીસ. ઇટ ઇઝ વન ઓફ ધ, એન્ડ ઇટ કેન હેલ્પ ટુ રીબેલેન્સ ધ ઇકોનોમી ઓફ UK, and it will be driving it forward. We also need to take the example, or we also need to take inspiration from UK, that from UK, or by their tremendous change from recent years, we need to explore our Indian people, and especially the field of science. If we do make the development in the scientific field or the space activity research, then we would be considering ourselves in the developed countries of the world. So that is all about the questions, right? Listen to the video repetitively, read the slides properly to prepare yourselves for the question answers, and to prepare yourselves from the MCQ test, because girls, I would be asking all the things that I have already disclosed through the videos, right? So there will nothing I will be asking outside you will find in the exam. Have a good day. I end here. Thank you very much.